Tess Daly began working with Sir Bruce Forsyth on Strictly Come Dancing in 2004. By Ellie Phillips. Friday, August 18, 2017. Tess Daly went on to host the BBC dancing show with Sir Bruce for more than a decade. The pair weren't just colleagues, they also became close friends, and Tess has paid an emotional tribute to the iconic figure after he died aged 89. She said in a statement which she posted on Twitter, "There are no words to describe how heartbroken I am to be told the saddest news that my dear friend Sir Bruce Forsyth has passed away. From the moment we met, Bruce and I did nothing but laugh our way through a decade of working together on Strictly Come Dancing, and I will never forget his generosity, his brilliant sense of humor, and his drive to entertain the audiences he so loved. He has been there for me as a co-host, a mentor, but most importantly as a friend, and I'm extremely fortunate to have worked alongside the man who defined Saturday night entertainment for so many decades. He was a gentleman and a true legend. I will miss him deeply. My heart goes out to Winnie, his wife, and his beautiful family at this sad time." Many other members of Bruce's Strictly family posted tributes online, including Claudia Winkleman, who took over from Bruce Forsyth in co-hosting Strictly Come Dancing when he stepped down in 2015. She told her followers he was the king of TV, the prince of performers, and the most generous of people, all toe-tapping twinkle, all kindness, all love. The Bruce you saw really was the man he was. We'll miss him so much. In a statement, Bruce's family expressed their gratitude to the many people who have sent cards and letters to Bruce wishing him well over his long illness, and know that they will share in part the great loss they feel. They asked for privacy so they can grieve at this most difficult time. BBC Director General Tony Hall said Sir Bruce was one of the greatest entertainers our country has ever known. He has delighted millions of people and defined Saturday night television for decades, with shows like The Generation Game and, most recently, Strictly. His warmth and his wit were legendary. I've never seen anyone quite like him when it comes to performing in front of a crowd. He had a remarkable chemistry with his audience. That's what made him such an amazing professional and why he was so loved. He has been part of all of our lives, and we'll miss him dearly."